Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Sahaj Fashion Limited Incorporated in 2011. Sahaj Fashions Limited manufactures fabric for garment making, home furnishings, and industrial applications. The company manufactures cotton suiting fabric and cotton shirting fabric, polyester-based and cotton-polyester blended fabrics. It also manufactures cotton yarn dyed fabrics, which are its most in-demand product in the garment manufacturing industry. IPO opens on August 25 and closes on August 29. Allotment will be on 1st of September. Listing will be on the 6th of September. Minimum investment required is of 120,000 rupees. It is a fixed price issue at 30 rupees. Lot size is of 4,000 shares. The IPO total issue size is 13.96 crore rupees. It completely a fresh issue. Object of the issue is working capital requirements including margin money, prepayment, repayment of certain secured borrowings availed by the company, general corporate purpose and offer expenses. With a current GMP of approximately 4 rupees, the issue's potential listing gains are estimated at around 10% to 15%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.